Council members and members of Albuquerque's economic development team, I am honored to offer this presentation to you addressing the lack of private industry and subsequent lack of job growth within the city of Albuquerque. Most importantly, I am honored to offer recommendations and be a part of the solution of promoting our great community to a city of prosperity for all who claim it as their home. As you all are aware, Albuquerque's 2014 population is estimated at 548,000 with a metropolitan population of 903,000. This includes surrounding communities of Rio Rancho, Bernalillo, Placitas, Los Lunas, Belen, Bosque Farms, and Corrales, leading it to be ranked as 59th largest metropolitan across the country. Albuquerque boasts several strengths that make it attractive for industry prospects. These include 1. A large talent pool consisting of over 70,000 college students from the University of New Mexico as well as local community colleges. This pool represents a younger and better educated workforce than the national average, according to the Albuquerque Economic Development site. 2. Albuquerque offers an extensive support network for businesses. 3. The city also offers a low cost of doing business. 4. In addition to offering the lowest effective tax rate for manufacturers in the western United States. 5. Albuquerque's year-round climate is mild and a low-risk location for natural disasters. 6. Albuquerque offers a diverse culture and an abundance of arts. Despite the city's strengths identified in the previous slide, the Albuquerque community is struggling as seen by its rankings across the country. Albuquerque ranks as one of the highest across the country in poverty, crime, and childhood hunger. In addition, Albuquerque ranks at the bottom across the country with respect to education, economics, population, and job growth. The chart above lists the major employers present with the city of Albuquerque. Two factors working in combination that contribute to Albuquerque's stagnant job growth are 1. Lack of business expansion from private sector, and 2. The city's dependency on federal jobs. During the period from February 2013 to February 2014, Albuquerque lost 4,500 jobs in total. The relation between job losses and the area rankings from the above slide are cyclical. As jobs are lost, all ranking areas are affected. In addition, Albuquerque's tax revenues decrease and less money is recirculated to other Albuquerque businesses. The need for more job opportunities has never been more apparent. Addressing job growth could likely reverse these rankings and push the city of Albuquerque towards prosperity. If you'll direct your attention to the image on the left, you will see a depiction of New Mexico's stagnant job growth in comparison to other western states. Now the image on the right-hand side shows Albuquerque's labor force by industry. The numbers from this image indicate that Albuquerque is strongly dependent on government, defense sector jobs and is weak when it comes to employers within the private sector. In an effort to address the main issue of job growth within Albuquerque, a call to action is necessary. The first goal in this project plan is to market Albuquerque in order to attract business from the private sector and bring new jobs to the city. The second goal is to make every effort to retain current employers and jobs. Thirdly, we must make every effort to retain the talent pool that currently exists of college students and recent college graduates in an effort to build and retain a highly educated, highly skilled workforce. In order to increase private sector employers and jobs, we first need to ensure we are offering corporations incentives that are equally competitive with other cities. To begin, 5 different levels of incentive packages, each geared toward meeting a specific need of different types of corporations, are proposed. The land package offers land purchase incentives such as development design assistance or discounted pricing. Existing building package is geared toward a corporation who is willing to make use of a previously vacated building. The resource package provides corporations breaks on resources needed to run their business and can include discounted rates on utilities. The tax package can provide tax incentives on purchasing land or existing buildings. The combo package can include a combination of 2 of the other packages. Lastly, a campaign will be launched to market the City of Albuquerque with emphasis on these incentive packages in addition to the strengths the location provides. In order to retain existing private sector businesses and jobs, 3 incentive packages can be offered to demonstrate the City of Albuquerque's appreciation and dedication to retaining industry. Lease loan forgiveness will offer a payment toward a loan for a lease incurred by the business who has remained in the Albuquerque area for longer than 5 years. The resource discount will offer rate discounts depending on the length of time the business has remained in operation in Albuquerque. The Job Creation Retention Bonus will provide a dollar incentive to those private sector industries that retain job levels and create new jobs in Albuquerque. Initiatives must be taken to retain a highly educated workforce. Too many high-achieving students are leaving the city in search of better jobs and higher pay. These incentives will let highly educated students or recent graduates know that they are valued and their dedication and efforts do not go unnoticed. All incentives can be applied for and awarded to students who perform above a predetermined standard academically. The loan forgiveness will offer discounts on loans incurred for school and will be extended to students in business, computer science, technology, and engineering sectors. There will be funds from the City of Albuquerque Economic Development budget applied to these initiatives, but the long-term benefits as noted on the slide will outweigh the associated costs. Fiscal year 2015 budget includes $1 million towards new economic development investment program. $90,000 will be recurring yearly as salary for a program manager position. The remaining $910,000 for fiscal year 2015 will be designated towards the initiatives outlined in this proposal. A request for an additional $500,000 will be submitted to the City of Albuquerque for fiscal year 2016. In conclusion, by applying the initiatives proposed in previous slides, the City of Albuquerque will benefit long-term and the cyclical effects can be reversed, leading Albuquerque into the future as a city of prosperity for all who call it home.